So good morning everyone, I'm out here in the countryside. We have a lovely property to show you, and this is a property that needs a little TLC. I think once it's painted and the walls are done, it'll be fine, you know. So I'll take you in and around and show you this property. Just going to turn around for you. So you've got double gates here, raised walls, okay. And as you walk in here, you've got a great big driveway. Put quite a few cars on here. But just around the corner, you have your area for hanging your washing. And you have a carport. So you've got two of those there. So you put two cars in there. Nice large gardens. This is the house. I love these old Spanish houses. They always look like they're really small. But they're actually quite large inside. So, just in here, you have an area for keeping animals. You might want to keep some chickens or ducks or something. You know, they're quite long rooms in here. So they're good sized rooms if you wanted to keep an animal, you know. So you have an area there that's all enclosed. So just here you have wreckers on the doors. You have double glazed windows. And you got a traditional Spanish door that you know there's someone behind there because they don't open and close on their own. So as we walk in, this is inside the property. You have ceiling light and fans. You have got a fireplace there, and that's like a little oven and a log burner at the same time. You got these lovely tiles. When the floor is cleaned, they come up really nice. Lovely stonework there. You got your shelves, and you have a window there. You got dual aspect windows there. You have aircon that needs replacing. These are quite large rooms, you know, really lovely. So I'm going to take you in, and even the skirting boards, as you can see, they're all the stonework all around the skirting boards. The walls need a little TLC, just scrape that off and repaint it. Okay, so I'm going to take you down here first of all. So just in here, directly in here, you have a bathroom. I'm afraid the electricity is off, so I'm hoping this is not going to be too dark for you guys. So you have got a vanity unit there with a sink and a WC. You have just storage just behind there. So very modern tiles and a very modern shower unit there. If I come over, you have a rain head shower, and as you can see, it's quite modern. So the bathroom is done. It's all modern. It's just haven't got the electricity on at the moment. And as you can see, you have these modern tiles throughout. And we're going into another room here. So it really just needs little TLC on there, okay? And you've got your ceiling lights and fans above. So just to give you a glimpse of this. Now, going over into another bedroom in here. Now this is a large bedroom. Again, it's got aircon. The ceiling has gone a little bit mouldy. I think it's because it's been shut up, and these houses are so made of very strong stuff. There's no air bricks in these houses, should I say. You have got sockets on either side where your bed would be here. You've got patio doors, and this leads out into a nice little area where you can sit and enjoy. You have the fly screens here. Obviously they need repairing again, but you can see how this property would look. If you have any vision, you can see once it's been painted and that, and the floors cleaned. Oh my word, this would be absolutely fabulous. So I'm going to take you up here. We go up these steps. You've got these lovely terracotta steps up here. We'll have a look upstairs. So I'll see you at the top, guys. So I'm just at the top here, guys. There is another bedroom in here with the vaulted ceiling. Just going to pan around for you. You've got an uplighter there, and you've got those solid windows there. Just here in the door. Brings you out onto this terrace. Oh, made me jump. There's a bird flying away. So as you can see, that's your garden there, and you have more garden just around here. You are by a farmyard. I think this property belongs to... That property belongs to somebody else, but you can see how a courtyard would look. And you could do the same here, nice tiles, and that would look fabulous. So let me take you down the stairs again, guys. And I see you at the bottom of the stairs. Now I'm back at the bottom of the stairs again, and I'm going to walk around here. So just in here you have another modern bathroom. The tiles are lovely, it's all been tiled. You've got a sink and pedestal. You've got storage there and a WC. I'm sorry my camera does not have a light to show you. Oh, and just behind there you have got a shower as well. So it's a very modern, you just have to take my word for it, it's a very modern shower. In here is the kitchen. Again, some beautiful tiles on here. And you can just imagine over this lighting there would be a nice farmhouse table here with chairs. The kitchen, the units need replacing, but it has got integrated gas hob, electric oven and hood extractor there. So plenty top base units. So I'll take you just outside here. You have got a filter tap there and a sink with drainer. And just here, because this is all enclosed, I know the door is open, but this has netting. And once that netting there is fixed, you can sit out here with a table and chairs and get the feel the sun and just have some outside dining. So just here, out here is a boiler in this little room out here, and as you can see this is a fairly new boiler. Alright, and you got a little window in here as well. So just around here is your garden. Raised walls everywhere, and you could put an overground pool here if you wanted to. Blue skies, you can see the mountains from here, and of course we're back to the front of the property again, but you can see over there is a little, we'll call it the secret garden, is it? And this garden in here, you could plant your veg if you wanted to. you know. So it is a bit overgrown. And the only reason I don't want to walk out here because it's so overgrown, I don't want to get little things on my legs. So you can see once upon a time that was a loved and cared for garden. Okay. So guys, we are out here in Cuevas De Reylo. This is a beautiful property. It's a 3-bedroom property. You've got 2 bathrooms and the bathrooms are upgraded. All the floors are done, so that doesn't need to be done. But if you can just visualise, they're all whitewashed. This is a perfect little property. The aircon may need replacing, but other than that, an aircon doesn't cost that much. It's about $250, $350 per unit, and then the labour to put it in. So this is a fantastic property. You've got gorgeous tiles on the kitchen, gorgeous tiles and expensive ones throughout the property, and those 2 upgraded bathrooms. So if someone wants a small project, this may be your ideal place in the sun. So if you're interested, I will leave the reference number of the video in the title. Okay, so when you're contacting us at info@tolettobuy.com, do put your contact details and the reference number so the girls in the office know which property you're asking or inquiring about. Okay, so until the next time, don't forget to share on your social media, guys, because somebody out there is going to love this. Take care, have an amazing weekend. Bye bye.